Hello children, welcome. I welcome back to. Hello children, today our topic is basic concepts of drawing. In this basic concepts of drawing, we are going to learn how to hold the pencil. See, you all know that is the position of holding the pencil. While drawing, you have to hold the pencil like this. Okay, so this is the position of holding the pencil. So today's topic is the basic concepts of drawing. What are the first basic concepts of drawing? In the first basics of basic concept drawing, you will know the circle. Okay, circle and triangle, the square. Okay, let us just imagine the objects. Okay, see first, and the straight line. The straight line is one of the important one. So in this concept, we are going to learn how to draw a straight line. So we are going to learn how to draw a straight line. First, how to practice the straight line. See, first to practice the straight line, you should know the small tree. Okay, take a plain page. Okay, put some dots, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Practice this till the end of the page, 1 and 2. So this is the procedure of practicing the straight lines. Okay, the second, put a dot. Drawing is an imaginary, do not forget that. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So this is the procedure of practicing the straight lines and vertical lines and horizontal lines. So the line drawing is one of the important basic concept in your drawing. Okay, so first, next, this is first one. Second, in this slanting also same. So this is first, second, third. So these are three line drawing concepts. In the second one, you are going to learn how to make a triangles using dots. Okay, so we have discussed circle, we'll discuss later. So we'll discuss about the triangle. So first, put some dots like this. Okay, and make some triangles. See, you can see the one. This is one triangle. This is the procedure. This is the way to practice. See. Again, put some dots. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the way of practicing the put a dot. This is the way of practicing the triangles. So similarly, the same. I'm going to take some dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So make a triangle from this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. See, so this is the procedure of practicing the triangles. So triangle, these are the basic concepts, do not forget that. Okay, practice. So next we are going to make squares. Okay, take some dots, just put some dots wherever you want. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Just try to practice with the free hand. First, try to draw with free hand. Just put some dots. Okay, so these are the freehand drawing. These are nothing but this all comes under your freehand drawing. So triangles. Similarly, the circular object. Actually, how to draw a perfect circle. See, similarly, we are going to learn how to draw a circle. See, many of the children they get trouble in drawing circles. Actually, how to draw a circle. First, before you want to draw a circle, you have to measure. Means you have to just imagine how big circle you want to draw. Suppose I want to draw a small circle. So first I have to imagine. See, this is the procedure of practicing the circles. I want to draw a little bit bigger than this. So first I have to imagine. See, while you're drawing circle, your little finger should be like this. Okay, so I want to draw a little bit bigger circle. So this is the way of practicing the circles. So again, I want to draw a little bit more bigger circle. First you imagine your circle. So please practice this. Okay, try to practice this. Okay, so in this first drawing concept, you should learn first the line drawing. Means put a dots. Okay, the line drawing is one of the important concept. Okay, put a dot. Try to draw as big as you want to draw. Okay, this is a line concept. Second, I told now how to practice triangle, basic freehand drawing, put a dots. Okay, the square also. Similarly, so three important concepts. The one is straight line, the vertical, the slanting one, and the vertical. So do not forget that these are three concepts of drawing. So the next one, the more you practice, suppose if you want to draw a perfect circle, see, once again I'm going to show how to draw a circle. I want to draw a bigger circle, I want to draw a circle in this. So imagine your circle. Okay, so you all know the alphabet: circle, triangle, square, rectangle, oval, and similarly how to draw an oval. Now we are going to draw how to draw an oval. The oval structure is, see, I told the same circle, we have to imagine the oval. How big oval you want to draw. See, I want to draw this